stay good. Call them pickney. Call them pickney. Come in. If you got little coconut oil, rub them. If you not got, not take worries. Tonight, me want to carry them pickney back down memory lane and show them how we used to make salt and pepper and mango. Nowadays, they might call it pickle mango. They might call it mango pickle. But long ago, we know it as salt and pepper and mango. And let me tell you, when you see like a mama, you used to saw granny. Sometimes all we got is a green mango. It's not even we green mango, you remember? Sometimes you eye a mango from your neighbor tree, but it come over in your yard. Or sometimes you and your friend they plan, here we are going to send out one body, going to say, I'm going to bring the mango. And next one might bring the knife. And next one might bring the salt. And the next one might bring the pepper. And then you just put all together. And that is how we used to make mango and salt and pepper. That was we snack when we ain't got nothing else. We could have find a mango, whether it green, whether it half ripe, whether it bitter, whether it's sour, whether it edging your teeth, You remember? We could have get a mango and we used to make mango and salt and pepper. So we gonna show them picnic. We used to make them. Me not show them no fancy way. So the first thing you got to do is get a mango. Now to get a mango, as I tell you before, we could have get it from the neighbor tree. We could have get it while we walk into school and we see a tree with a mango and we could call and say inside please a mango. And sometimes we never used to do that. Them little worthless but they used to make sure they go and they used to thief the mango. Sometimes you peel down, you get one, you get two, you get three, you remember? Yes, and then the next thing you do, you pick the mango. Now some Guyanese really like to believe that they could peel a mango and only get one skin from it. Now that is a talent. If you can do that, you can do that. If you can't do that, not take worries. So the first thing you do, you need a knife. Now please don't use a bread knife. This is a bread knife. You can't use a bread knife to peel a mango. I tell them picnic, you can't use a bread knife. So what I'm gonna use this knife. So what we just always start at the top. I never see a Guyanese yet what peeling a mango from the BT. Not one of them. We always peel it from the top, from the head of the mango. So what you do, you take the knife and you start peel. Now what I gonna do, this mango is so it really not depend nothing because I'm not supposed to take so much effort. Okay, and the first thing now, when we peel in the mango, we could watch the mango and we could know if it's sour, if it's sweet, if it's gonna edge your teeth, or if it's force ripe. Some of y'all know it's a force ripe mango. A force ripe mango is a mango where you take and you really do exactly that. You force some for get ripe. You're not ready for get ripe, but you force some for get ripe. So what you do now, you try to peel off the skin. When we buy this mango is on all of that. But not bad with all that, you are still able to make the pickle. What me I do now, picnic, me I show you how to peel the mango and only get off one piece of skin. Now, when we used to see big people, when we sit down, y'all remember? And we see a big person peeling a mango, and they're just getting off one piece of skin by. We used to say, wow, we couldn't believe that a person could peel a mango and get off one piece of skin. Look at that. Look though. This is one piece of skin I get off from the old mango. Me and try to peel it little bit. Now when we this small and we making pickle, we never used to really like look for the side. Well, some people just do that. They just look for this one fat side, cut it off, then look for the other side, cut it off. But remember, we small and we hands small. So we used to do, we get a bowl and we just used to cut. We just used to cut when we making pickle. We used to cut anyhow. You're just cutting because what you want to do, you want to get off all where you come from the mango. Right now, me water lily a leak. Oh gosh, y'all wanna understand? Yeah, me water lily leaking. First thing we do, we try to peel it, and we just try to get off all the part. We don't even look for see if it coming off right or peeling by the fat side or nothing. All we doing is peeling the mango, and there is one not peeling. Well, yes, I'm taking off the flesh from the mango. And you hear that sound there? Some people that sound just edge their teeth. Hear that? Oh gosh, that thing. All my mouth around water. Yes. Look there. And then you keep cutting. And we cut so till we think we get off all if we're going to make pickle. You hear that? Yes. When you hear the sound, it's the seed. You see the white part there? That is the seed. So when you hear the sound, it's the seed you're coming to. So now, you could still look at this, and you could still keep going. Mouth a run water. Yes. Oh gosh. And then you come in now. And you cut so till you can't get off no more. Now, let me show you. This is all the mango in the bowl. If you want, you don't have to do this. If you want, you can take some of them will cut up fine and you can start, you know, like put one little cut in them. No long ago, sometime when we were small and we asked we mother, we say we want a snack. You know, we mother they used to do is mango and salt and pepper they used to make and give you for snack. When nothing not there. Y'all remember? When we go on vacation for July, August, it's beer mango pickle we used to eating by. Or you could call it pickle mango, or you could call it mango and salt and pepper. It doesn't matter what you call it. This is a snack what all we grow up on. Yes, let me show you. Now, pickle, you can cut them more if you want, but we don't really cut it all though. Once you get couple pieces, you understand, and you keep cutting if you want. If you don't want, you don't have to do this part here. All right? And then this part here fat now. You see like this part of fat. So me go cut a little more finer now. So you see me cut them there and me cut them there. Yes, me feel one not a fat one in there. So me cut them there. And me cut them there. But let me tell you. If you ever lele a leak, me lele a leak while me do this. Yes. So you cut them up so. So now let me show you how the mango look. So you see the mango there. Next thing you're going to do, you're going to put in a little salt. Now, Guyanese like talk about a pinch of salt. So I'm going to show you how to pinch the salt. Because it's not everybody know how to pinch salt. They could pinch salt. If people think you can pinch salt with any one of your finger, you got to know which finger for pinch the salt with. You got to use your big finger and the one next to your big finger. And then you go into the salt and you pinch. Haha, did you know that? Did you know how to pinch salt? Let me show you. So you take it like this. You see that? And then you pinch the salt and you throw the pinch of salt for the thing like that. Now, if that is not enough, and then you take your hand and you just mix them up. So, may I know if you see. Wait, let me show you. So, I'm pinching more salt again. And I'm putting it in the mango. Let me hold it up so. And then you take your hand and you just do so. This is called, you're mixing it up so the salt can go all over upon the mango. Because guess what? You don't want some of them get salt and some of them ain't get salt. Because, you know, guys, these beliefs say, oh gosh, this is the first time I talking, so. And me, I just got to swallow me spit all the time. You know why? Y'all know it's one lele. The lele just leaking right now. Oh gosh. I feel like eat a piece, but it ain't done yet. So I don't want to show you all the thing, you know, and it ain't done yet. So you see how I mix it up, sir? Now, if you want to know how it tastes, you can start by licking like your finger. You could do, and you could check the salt like that to see if you got enough salt or not. Now, when I do that, like I got a little too heavy on the salt. Well, not too much. Okay, good. Now I'm going to put the pepper. This pepper what we got here is so called crushed red pepper, but this thing is so hot. And always remember what we Guyanese know, that what's sweet about mouth does bitter any bam bam. So don't put too much pepper, because the pepper does burn we 2 times. Yeah, I'll tell them quickly though, the pepper does burn we 2 times. I ain't gonna tell you all the second time, but the first time is when you're eating it. Good. So now you sprinkle the pepper in it. Oh gosh, I'm my mouth around water. Oh gosh, yes. This pepper hot? You think this pepper not hot now? Look the pepper in there now. This one flaky pepper. And then we do the same thing now. We mix them up so. When we go into school, oh gosh, sometimes we used to put it in a little bowl. Y'all remember, just shake the bowl with everything inside. Oh gosh, and when you see back, so you're ready for start. Eat. Now, this done. This is not a pickle like what I was talking about where I had vinegar put on my bottle and left on long. When we Guyanese make mango pickle, we just eat it right away. Good. Then you pick up one. Now if it's not for y'all eating, everybody just watch for see who taking more. You understand? Like if you eat 3 pieces already, I only eat 1 piece, it can't work so. So you're going to swat eat where you eating quick. Swallow it, take another piece, you remember? No? Good. So now I take a piece. Let me tell you what's happening to me. I want to explain what's going on right now. Remember, tell me lele leaky, right? So the lele mix up with the mango and the salt and pepper. Everything mixed up together. So when I put it in my mouth there, it's like enough thing in my mouth. Enough thing in my mouth. Let me try another piece. The lele going down now. And one of the things you gotta know as a Guyanese, when you're eating mango and salt and pepper, your lele will always leak. That's a given. This will always happen. Yes, let me go. Oh gosh. And then you and your friends sit down now, and you're eating this. Listen, let me tell y'all something. When we were small, it didn't take enough thing to satisfy we. We parents give we this as a snack. We happy. We gonna sit down and we eat and we snack. We feel nice. We feel good. This is where we come from, picnic. Can you believe that? We want a snack. And you know, even though some of us grow up without a lot of things, we know when we want a snack that we could have gone and take a knife and a mango and a little salt and a little pepper and we could have made that snack. Tell me what is more important than the fact that you can create, you can bring into existence exactly what you want. That is one of the greatest lessons we learn from making mango and salt and pepper. That we could sit down right now and say, I feel for eat little mango and salt and pepper. And the first thing you know, we get a mango, get a little salt, get a little pepper, mix it up together, and we create something. Let me tell you, that in itself, picnic was powerful. The pepper burned me bad. And it got burned me again. Some of you know. That was powerful. The fact that we could have created, we could have brought into existence, yes, whatever we want. Think about that. Think about that. Now, let me tell you, mango and salt and pepper is also a sign. Suppose you get a daughter and you wonder if she belly big. Watch for see if she eating mango and salt and pepper steady. That is a Guyanese belief. If she dey good, and just so try, she say, oh gosh, she feel to eat mango and salt and pepper. You don't start think. Is what going on there, boy? Let me tell you something else. But let me don't chew first, because you know, you got to chew. Swallow. Then start back for talk again. Listen to this. How you build community. You want to know how you build community and collaboration? From mango and salt and pepper. You know why? We could be walking home from school in the midday and we start plan. Let me make mango and salt and pepper, or let me make pickle mango or mango pickle. Who go bring the mango? That body said, them go bring the mango. Who go bring the salt? The next body go bring the salt. Who go bring the pepper? The next body go bring the pepper. Who go bring the knife? The next body go bring the knife. Let me tell you, when we even had knife, we used to peel mango with teeth. But we even gonna talk about that. I'm gonna show you how to peel green, ripe, all kind of mango with your teeth another time. Now think about that. We all came together to make the mango and salt and pepper. In a matter say, all me had was salt, and all you had was pepper, and all the other one had was a knife to cut up the mango. We all believe that when we put it together, we go get the result what we want. And let me tell you, don't let that lesson be lost on you. It's the same thing you can do now. Anything you want, if you know for collaborate with people, and you say, you know what is the result we want? What is the mango and salt and pepper we want at the end? And if we can sit down and say, you know what? You do this part. You do that part. You do that part. We will get the result. It might look something simple. You might just think, okay, man, that mango and salt and pepper. But guess what? The same way we make mango and salt and pepper, we can make bigger dream come true. Because it's the same idea. People come together. They think about a goal. The goal what we may want is the mango and salt and pepper for it. So because we think about this and the goal what we want, when we sit down and we decide now, we delegate responsibility. That's what you call delegation now. How you delegate? You make sure that one I bring the mango, that one I bring the salt, that one I bring the pepper, that one I bring the knife. So what we do is we make sure that we got everything that we need to achieve the goal. And then the person, right away, somebody just come up like the main person, you know. We don't even choose the main person. That can be the mango peeler. You understand? And for everything that you're doing, you need to have a mango peeler. You need to have somebody who will take the initiative, who will take the first step, who will say, let me peel the mango. If all of we sit down and we want to eat salt, mango and salt and pepper, and all of we sit down, skin up, laugh, and nobody now want to peel the mango, how we going to eat mango and salt and pepper? So you always have to have a peeler of the mango, and then you have to have a chipper-upper. Okay, after the peeler, you need a chipper-upper. And the chipper-upper now got chipper up the mango. And then put it together. Then you need a mixer to mix it together so that you can get the end result. Something as simple as that taught us greater lessons in life. So if you sit down today and you think, how you gonna achieve one goal? How you gonna get where you want to reach in life? Me want you go right back in your childhood. And I want you to think about how we make dream come true with mango and salt and pepper. Me go talk off and left off. You understand? When you miss me, I gone. Tata.